My experience with Te Puru Tāmaki goes back to when I was a 14-year-old. So that's over 50 years. Our first practice was up on the marae there, which wasn't really the marae at that time. We worked in prefabs, yeah? And at that time in 1973, they were fairly new, so we used to watch movies in there and do all the community stuff around Boot Hill. It was awesome, so we used to use that place for our Kapa. As teenagers, we were sort of, we'd sneak off and do our own thing like they still do today, and the adults were doing their thing in the breaks and things, but when we got together and they shoved us in the front, just like we still do today, or the young ones get out there and we put them in front and stuff like that, well, that's what happened to us. And yeah, the whanaungatanga of that period was awesome. It was awesome. I found a great love in just being with my peers, my age group, and maybe just a bit older. And that's what it was for me. Te Puru Tāmaki was the start of that. That's how I feel today about what Kapa Haka can do for to get people together, to really know each other. And in our case, because we're all a family, we're the same iwi and all that stuff. And I think that's where Te Puru Tāmaki really had an impact on the teenagers of that time.
When I used to watch my mum when she was leading Te Puru Tāmaki, she was forever researching our whātua legacy, our whātua history, to try and incorporate that into all of the material that was being written. Not only was she doing that on her own, she was tapping into her peers, our kuia and kaumātua, to make sure that she was getting it right. Te Puru Tāmaki's had a huge role to play when we lost so much around our language and our culture, especially here in Tāmaki. And Kapa Haka was a way of being able to hold on to, our tupuna kōrero.
Up to today, oh man. I love what's happening today. 2024, most of our tamariki kōrero Māori. They know what they're talking about, they know our histories, you name it. It's just been a good vehicle for what's happening for Ngāti Whātua over all these years, over the last 50 years. It's been awesome. So really proud of Te Puru Tāmaki, just for the wee bit that Te Puru Tāmaki has contributed to the iwi. I'm glad to say that, oh man, this year, 2024, bringing Te Puru Tāmaki back in my eyes is just awesome. Brings back a lot of memories for me. I know it does for my mum. And for all the whānau who were with us during that time. It is a legacy. I do hope it stays around for a long time. Looks like it is too. So, kia ora.